Just the atmosphere, the ambience. Listen to that saxophone with the Jamaican flag in the background and our colors and the lights and like them something that make me feel like me just in a Jamaica. Thank you Sumfest for creating that atmosphere. Even though me there foreign, it did fully make me feel like me did in a Jamaica. So the first performance at Reggae Night was done by Gyprtian. Gyprtian, they look like him get him hair twist up the day before. Him scalp look like it's still kinda tight, isn't it? Yeah! Listen to me. I feel like you have somebody in your life in a Gyprtian. No, 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 no. Because when Gyprtian did a perform Beautiful Lady, it look like him did a look upon one beautiful lady. Look like him did a envision. I promise you, my baby, I'm gonna take you on the road. That look they don't come from acting, brother. That look there look like, yo, like a masher works later in the night, you know, if you get what I mean. And Gyprtian, they bust a quarantine wine. You know the quarantine wine? Like, you don't know what I talk about. Ever since the pandemic start and then people them keep entertainment on them Instagram live and just start bust a wine. I don't know what other word is there to describe a lot of these reggae artists, but conscious. I will get really deep into the message of things, and Tarrus really talk about some important things during his performance.
We are confident in the victory of good over evil. So all the evil that made me harm, hey, they can go back where they came from.
Tarrus was saying that we need a healing, not only in our physical well-beings due to the pandemic, but this pandemic has also launched an assault on our mental health, and we need a healing in our minds.
What will this new world be like without being with your friends and the family gatherings? Bring on the healing, yeah. Healing. We need it, I need it, healing. You need it, we need it. Brand new, check it out, Healing.
Tarrus also debuted a new song on the Sumfest stage called Remember Me. And Remember Me, it sounds like a prayer.
Serious times. I know a lot of people praying, you know. Remember us, Jaja.
I must say, Tarrus really did open up on the reality of this whole pandemic, this quarantine situation. And it really made us ask the questions about where we are mentally. And this whole Sumfest, people have been criticizing Sumfest whether or not it should have been held or not. But let me tell you something. Just by giving Jamaica and giving the world this piece of entertainment, Sumfest has done so much for our mental health. But I will get there. We'll talk about that later. Let's get on to the next performance. Reggae veteran, big ship Freddie McGregor take the stage.
Ooh, yeah, there's so much I wanna say to you, yeah.
Freddie did a bust one dance like, you know, one little pitney get like one bigger piece of chicken for him Sunday dinner. Same just a bust one happy dance, you know them way there? Like, you know them way there. He even debuted a new single called Ball. Also opening up on this entire pandemic situation, talking about how the people across the world are balling.
People them balling, balling. If quarantine is not your taste, nobody balling, balling. Just hold your social space.
It's when Freddie was doing And So I Will Wait For You.
I'll wait for you ladies. Welcome to Sumfest tonight. Want you to know that we love you. Freddie loves you. Sumfest love you. Massive, we love you. Thank you. God bless you.
It had me thinking, you know, this new generation of people can really learn something about love, you know. Because when Freddie was singing that song, to me it did sound like passionate love, you know. It is not that type of love, you know. Well, maybe, but me I talk about more than just that. Me I talk about genuine love and care for somebody else. And it really made me think, are we that disconnected, or am I that disconnected? Are we that disconnected? Yo, people, then comment down below, tell me what you think. Next performance by Grammy-nominated artist Maxi Priest. Now, me tell you, when Maxi did step up on the stage, me I say, alright, hold on, wait, brother, you know hot.
Let's go.
First of all, you there in Jamaica. Second of all, you have on, you know, pure denim jeans, suit, pants, and, you know, suit and beer things, jacket. You get me? I say you have on one scarf. You have locks longer than Yaadman own. You have locks longer than Yaadman himself. And you have on one cap, brother. You know hot, brother? But I don't think the heat did bother him, you know. The heat could not have bothered him. Because I realized something. When after Maxi Priest is done perform and him to get one interview with Kamala McDonald, this is what him did look like.
But no, you know, you just a scarf up and beer things because, you know, you're trying to be a responsible, you know, citizen in a Jamaica. But tell me the God truth, Maxi. Tell me the God truth. You mask up that way there because you know want your woman to call you later and ask you where you're there. Not true.
This one is for the world and all the frontline workers. When I look at the darkness all around us, I feel like I'm losing control. So many people who just don't know where to go.
Yeah, man. It is definitely a reggae night trend to be doing quarantine and pandemic tributes. So you see when Maxi was doing I Just Want to Be Close to You, he was singing into the camera like him never close to a woman since the pandemic start. Like him in a quarantine the whole time.
Wants to love you endlessly, show you the way I feel. I just wanna be close to you. Do all the things you want me to.
I must say, Maxi, you did a really good job in your performance. The next artist to perform was... Wait, hold on. The next artist who did perform... Oh! What am all them people them there? What am all them people them there? The original Koffee. You see when Koffee step out, Koffee they step out well militant too, you know. Place the dark, she in a camouflage, like she hide from COVID. She kick it off with Rapture. Listen, I love the song Rapture. Especially the part where I say just put in the work and trust the process. Oh yes! But one thing though, Koffee, Grammy Award winning artist. She relatively new on the scene because Koffee hasn't even been in the business for 5 years now, right? No, right? Right? But you see when Koffee did start the ragamuffin, Koffee this is something that make me feel old.
The one here for all of the old school fans them.
Not legal, you know. Old. When Koffee was singing ragamuffin, she said, yo, big up to the old school fan them. Ja know dog. Old school fan them ragamuffin they come out when? When did ragamuffin come out? Hold on there. 2 years ago ragamuffin drop and Koffee said big up to the old school fan them. Third form me said make me try a thing. And it turned out to be a fire thing. No pan Sumfest stage Koffee they are sing.
Blessings all for my life and what's on God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah. And gratitude is a must. Yeah.
Really and truly Koffee is an inspiration.
Hey, third form, Mr. Let me try a thing. And you know it formed out to be a fire thing. Now up on stage, Sumfest, me I sing.
She really put in the work, trust the process. Just do our damn thing, yo. You see me I say? As any young person in a Jamaica who have any type of dreams and aspirations, just put your heart and your soul and your work in it. And you will achieve. You have to. You have to. Koffee really inspire Yaadman, you know. Wait, was this the first time that Koffee was performing lockdown?
Where will we go? When the quarantine thing done and everybody touch rock. Mommy, me gonna start pull up in a fast start, yeah. And a fast start, make you on the fast part, yeah. I know you're feeling it, yeah. You know I'm feeling you. So what now we for do?
And to close out Reggae Sumfest, we had the one and only Sizzla Kolonji.
Hey, Sumfest, welcome. Hey, cry, even tears, even your cry. But who cares? Whose fault's no one but yourself. Things do happen, words can't explain.
I mean, no, say Sizzla endurance is on a different level, you know. As a matter of fact, enough young artists who not too, you know, not too good at performing on stage, them can learn something from a veteran like Sizzla, you know.
Hey, make some noise. Yo, people with the set of their time, just can't stop you now. Can't stop the rest of man. As a fire bomb, I big intro. Oh, you can't tell them. Cause when they come with the heat, let's start. Listen whenever the guys are right to my dog. That's my part.
But when I see Sizzla step out in a suit, I say, alright, hold on. Maxi Priest was in one denim suit. And then I see Sizzla step out in a one suit, like him named Double Horus, Secret Agent Kolonji. So I said to myself, alright, Sizzla, it's either one or two things that are going on right there, so. Either you're not hot, or when they were taping Sumfest, the AC did a buck. So Sizzla asked an important question. You feel Corona can't stop reggae music? Why it not stop Sizzla?
Now if you know, so you're not even a separation. You're not even with no coronavirus and no COVID-19. When you just shut right in, I want to talk with her. We might have glory clean. Yeah, Sumfest, tell them. Rise to the offense and look at you.
No. Something wrong. Sizzla not sweat. How come we in this point of your performance, Sizzla, and you're not sweat yet? I don't care how much the AC are buck. The way all you move about the place. Where sweat there? Me there record video and 3 different light upon me right now, you know. And me feel kinda moist, you know, brother. But me I look upon your face, brother, and your face barely wet up. Oh, what go on? What is your secret? Me say the man active, you know. Me say Sizzla I kick out him foot and him leg them like him a sing Father Abraham.
Right foot, left turn.
And that was it, people. That was Reggae Sumfest Night 1 and Night 2. And ladies and gentlemen, just like the rest of Jamaica, I was just learning on the end of Night 2 that a Taste of Sumfest was brought to us with just 3 weeks of preparation. All Jamaican production. And I must say that we as a people, we as Jamaican people, we need to be very proud of this. Not only did we look in the face of a global pandemic and say, no, you're not going to hold us down. We need to give back this entertainment and rejuvenate the spirit of our people. And that is what Sumfest did. I don't know about you, but I did not know that I needed Sumfest until I was watching Sumfest. To the point where me take up myself and say, yo, Yaadman is going to do a review on Sumfest. The way how me miss covering events, man, tell you the God truth. I say, yo, me need to do something. But as a Jamaican, I just want to say, Reggae Sumfest, thank you. Thank you, Dancehall Entertainment. Thank you, Flow. Thank you, Mr. Bogdanovich. Thank you, Jamaica. And like TJ said in his performance, he can't remember the sponsors. I can't remember the sponsors myself. But if me never call your name, it's not out of nothing. It's just this whole experience has gotten me emotional, I must say. And it's one of these moments where it makes me proud to be a Jamaican. People them you don't know say it was Yaadman Etan, and that was Reggae Sumfest. Pick up on the damn self.